Digital nomad. The digital nomad is a fascinating concept that has only become possible in the last several years. This is a vision of a lifestyle filled with adventure and travel, but funded by a stable income with no risk of going bankrupt. How does it work? Simple. By using computers and other technology, you create a situation where you can work remotely from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. Then you pack your bags and travel the world, using your online work to fund your traveling. But at the same time, living cheaply in hostels and other places so that you don't need that much cash to begin with. You can see the world and have countless adventures, and all you need is a laptop. To many, this is the ultimate lifestyle designed for the digital marketer, so it seems only fitting that we touch on it here. But is it the right type of lifestyle for you? It's certainly not for everyone. And it's not the only option for true lifestyle design, as some people seem to think it is. Consider the following points before making up your mind. Attachments. The first thing you need to consider if you're thinking of becoming a digital nomad is how many attachments, commitments, and responsibilities you have back home. Technology might give you the freedom to travel the world in principle, but if it means leaving a girlfriend or boyfriend back home who might leave you, then it suddenly becomes a little less realistic. Likewise, you'll have to say goodbye to your friends and family for a while, which is hard for some people too. You can travel with a buddy, of course, but it will be hard to find someone who is willing to drop everything, and even this companion won't stop you from missing the people most important to you. Creature comforts. Another thing to ask is whether you are the sort of person who likes your creature comforts, or whether you think you could live without them. You are going to be staying in some pretty cheap places, and carrying as little as possible on your back. So, you should anticipate that you might have to go weeks without a shower sometimes, and that you'll rarely get a nice cup of tea the way you like it. Are you that guy or gal? Tech-savvy and entrepreneurial spirit. Remember, in space, no one can hear you scream. And in the Sahara Desert, there is no IT support. Are you going to be capable of getting your computer up and running again if it goes downhill? Will you be able to buy something that will get the job done in the flea market? And likewise, are you the sort of person who is capable of turning a profit without a boss? Are you disciplined to make yourself work when you could be out exploring a new city? And do you have the creativity to come up with the ways you can make money while you're on the road? Remember, being a digital nomad is just one form of lifestyle design. You may decide that you want to change your life by working online, but that doesn't necessarily mean you'll have to go traveling. Think about what works for you, and remember that sometimes fantasies aren't what they're cracked up to be.